Find or read reviews that people are talking about NOHZIO wireless HDMI display dongle adapter. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Wireless connection and plug and play. This wireless HDMI display dongle adapter, wireless HDMI display adapter, for laptops, tablets, PCs and smartphones does not need applications, devices, and Bluetooth. Really plug and play, you just need to plug an external antenna into this wireless HDMI converter, connect it to the HDMI port, power it on, find the mirroring function. And then it will play automatically. Wireless image transmission can be realized without messy cables and complicated operation steps. Large screen / same screen dual mode. Big screen mode. This wireless display adapter, wireless HDMI display dongle, can project the screen onto the big screen to play wonderful videos. On-screen mode. This wireless HDMI monitor adapter can project movies, music, sports, photos, live TV, conference videos, and other content from laptops, tablets, PCs and smartphones. High-resolution picture quality. This wireless HDMI dongle, wireless display adapter PC to TV, with 1080p/60Hz and 2.4G/5G supports Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS, and it can project clear and delicate HD images. Open an audio-visual feast with your family, enjoy the wonderful big screen, and spend warm time together. Mini size, easy to carry. This wireless HDMI streaming adapter, wireless HDMI mirror screen adapter, is easy to carry. You can put it in your bag or pocket for travel, business trips, presentations, meetings, and teaching. This device does not support paid applications. For Android and Windows devices, this wireless HDMI adapter, wireless display HDMI, allows you to cast contents to the bigger screen from most apps. iPhone series support YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, Skype, Twitter, Reddit and other no-paid apps. Android devices are compatible with most apps, not all. Note, but iOS devices doesn't support subscribed paid apps which have HDCP video copyrights protection, like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, BT Sports, Sky Go and more. What can you get by buying our products? You can get a wireless HDMI monitor dongle adapter, wireless display dongle, an HDMI cable, a power cord, an AV cable and a user manual. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.